Learners, on your mark. Achieving the goal of intermediate English speaker requires a working vocabulary of 2,500 English words. Becoming an intermediate speaker requires a 4,000-word English vocabulary. A C1 advanced English speaker must know 8,000 English words. Your English vocabulary is a measure of your English speaking ability. And the first thing that everyone will notice about your English is your pronunciation of the English words you speak. Building your English vocabulary and perfecting your English pronunciation are the two most important steps you will take toward your English learning goals. The TOEFL exam, the GRE, the IELTS, or advancement in your career. The English Vocabulary and Pronunciation Master Workshop will catapult you ahead toward your English learning objectives. This Master Workshop is an 8-part series, an in-depth study of the definitions and pronunciations of 800 must-know English words. You will learn to perfect the pronunciation of all 44 English vowels, diphthongs, and consonant sounds. Each unit of the English Vocabulary and Pronunciation Workshop is a detailed study of the meanings and the pronunciations of 100 words universally used in English-speaking business and academic communities. From the workshop's more than 2,000 sentences, you will learn from context the use of thousands of English words. Rather than commit to all the 8 workshops, you can master 1 unit at a time, work at your own pace, and advance to the next unit when you are ready. Each unit has 12 lessons, an introduction, 4 lessons on the 44 English sounds, and 7 vocabulary and pronunciation lessons. We will explore the meanings of each word and use the words in sentences. As we study the words, we will practice perfecting the English vowels, consonants, and diphthong sounds that constitute each word. You will learn to distinctly hear English sounds as you expand your English vocabulary and polish your pronunciation of all English words. This workshop devotes 0 time to learning theory. Practice makes perfect. You will learn through practice. Every minute of every lesson is devoted to building your English vocabulary and perfecting your English pronunciation. I am mentor Josephine P. Sterling. I have a master's degree in English communication. I have performed on Broadway, coached many theater professionals, business professionals, and teaching professionals on English speaking and pronunciation. I have written many manuals on English speaking technique. You must build your English vocabulary, and you must perfect your English pronunciation. These English pronunciation and vocabulary building workshops provide the tools you need. Now is the time. Jumpstart your career. Perfect your English pronunciation. Build your English vocabulary. Put my 45 years experience as an English-speaking professional to work for you. Register now and let's get started.